She's touching it. Han, don't tell me what to do, B-boy.
Yo?
My poet is basa.
Your poet is basa?
You know, whatever, Tommy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Pumunta ako dito sa taas. Hindi pa nga ako kumakain. Ang ginaw dito sa bahay guys, as in. Itong asawa ko talaga. Ay naku, ang ginawa. Diyan natutulog yung asawa ko. Pero katabi ko yan guys sa kagabi. Katabi ko yun eh. At saka yung dalawang aso. So yan. So dahil yung dalawang aso nakakatawa, takot na takot kagabi. Diba nito. May mga fireworks. Kagabi. Ang nangyari guys, natawa ako guys dahil si Roxy guys gustong pumunta sa taas. So natulog siya kasama namin guys. Dahil dalawa sila sa kama, 3, 4 kami. Si Tami, kinikik ni Roxy doon, si Tami sa baba. No, doon siya sa baba ng kama. And then I think mga 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, bumaba dito siya. Nanonood ng TV at saka maninigarilyo doon. Every morning na lang talaga ganyan. Oy, alam niyo ba? Diba, bumili ako ng halal bread. Lutuin ko na siya. Lutuin. Gagawa tayo ng oy, naghagok talaga asawa ko, guys. Oy. Halal bread. French toast tayo ngayon. Mag-French toast. Pasensya na kayo kapag kung naririnig ninyo yung asawa ko, ha. Ganon talaga ang buhay. Ganito yung kapag mag-French toast ako guys, ganito yung gawin ko. Depende kung ilang bread yung anuhin mo. Ako, magluluto ako ng French toast. Mga 3. 3 malalaki. Kasi halal bread is supposedly like when you're making halal bread is kind of thick. At saka 3 egg. Lagyan ko siya ng garlic powder guys. Garlic powder is always additional flavor. Pepper and salt. Always. Depende na sa inyo guys kung ano. Milk. Ang milk guys, huwag nung damihan. Konting milk lang siya para yun, ganyan. Maliit lang talaga. And then, whisk. Yun. Whisk lang ng whisk. Kung mayroong matira dito na egg, lulutuin nyo siya ng scrambled egg. Maghihiwa tayo ng halabera. Ito siya. Kunin natin yung butt area. Gusto ko itong butt area pero yung iba ayaw. So, kunin ko siya. Itapon ko yan. Gamitin ko ito. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Bread naman yan. So, ganito, thick. Thick siya, guys. Anuhin ko na rin yung biyanan ko. Yan. So, yan siya biyanan ko. Isang bread. I'm going to ask Tami. I'm going to make a halal toasted bread. You don't want it? You don't want to eat anything? Are you sure? You don't eat nothing? Yeah, every morning. Ano ko na lang, lutuin ko na lang ito. Hala bread. Hala bread. Yes, ilagay ko lang itong si guys, si battery. Battery pa more na battery. The other day, lumabas ako sa labas ko at sobrang init guys, as in 100 degree. So, ko lang dito. I'm going to let the bread swim over here. But hindi mo siya talaga yung pabayaan mo siya mag-soak. Ay nako, wala ka ng bread. Let this swim here, flip it over, done. That's it. Flip. Ilagay nyo dyan. And ito din, flip it over, done. Okay. Diyan siya. Ito din. Flip it over. Hala, ang daming itlog na nagamit ko. 3 bread lang. 3 slice lang. Yan. Yan. So, yan siya guys. Ang daming egg. So, kakainin ko yan. And just kind of like let it brown. Ang bango niya ay kasi may garlic eh. Alam nyo, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganito. Yung nagtatrabaho ako kasi, I don't know if I told you, diba nagpa-part-time ako ng trabaho ng bantay ng elderly. So, part-time yun siya, guys. And, yung binabantayan ko, gusto niya ng ganito. At sinabihan ako na, lagyan daw ng milk. Nagulat naman ako, guys. Nagulat naman ako si Roxy. Umambak si Roxy, guys. So, nagulat ako sa milk. Okay, then, lagyan natin ng milk. Sige. So, yun, masarap siya. Ganito pala magawa ng, French toast. Ha? Sige. May pa-French pa talaga. Itlog at saka bread. Sige. Alam nyo, nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, ginawa ko ito, guys. Sliced bread yung inano ko. Ang sliced bread, alam nyo naman, yung sliced bread is madali siyang mag-soak in yung mga, pero okay naman. Malapit na. French toast na siya, guys. Na-toast na siya. Egg. Ayan. Sabihanan ko to. French toast. Sa akin ito. Scrambled egg. What are you doing, little man? Little man, what are you doing? I just feed you. I-try natin yung French toast. French toast, ha? Ang sarap. Bread lang ni siya. Pero dahil may egg, at saka seasoned, at saka yung bread talaga din. She's touching it. No, I can see. It can see. Oh, I can. The camera, yeah. She touched it really slowly. Like she's very gentle, though. He is very gentle. Hala, o yung light pala dito, on pala. O yung ginoo ko. Alas 11 na ng umaga. Saka magbihis lang ako para maglilinis sa labas. Magwiwidwalk ako sa gilid-gilid. Kailangan kong iwidwalk para maputol yung mga gilid-gilid na hindi naputol ng lawnmower namin. Babalikan ko kayo. Hi! Good morning!
Hi.
Good morning! I'm gonna bring the weedwalk outside.
Oh, it's too hot.
What?
It's too hot.
I'll do weedwalk. I'm not.
I know that. It's too hot.
I will give up if I can. I will do first the back, the front. Han, don't tell me what to do, big boy. I will do weedwalk and then I'm not gonna bring you outside, guys, kasi I'm going. I will see you later. Bye. I will let you know. The heat stroke is the other day because it was sunny and hot. So this time there's no sun. I have to take advantage of it. Yeah, I know, but it's worse the other day. I'll see you later, guys. Tatatap, hala, nag-fog, han. My camera is fogging, han.
Yeah, huh? You're gonna ruin it. have it colder to hotter.
Anyway guys, I'm not gonna stay here with the camera long. But anyway, katatapos ko lang nag-weedwalk. My husband's helping me to turn the weedwalk and to add, what's that, string, right? Yeah. So I'm finally done with that.
I'm trying to tell you not to do it because it's too hot to do it. But you don't want to listen to it.
Because I want it to finish and then now it's
Doesn't
gonna be...
matter. It's, you know,
Yeah.
a health thing.
Yeah, I did,
I'm
hun.
sure lots of people in the Philippines died of heat stroke and you guys don't even realize it.
Yeah, right.
Hun.
Anyway guys, so it's done. And the other day when I was mowing the lawn, it was worse, han. It was worse. Guys, hugaw ako guys. As in, dito puti, dito itim. Yan oh. Madumi ako ngayon. Maliligo ako mamaya guys kasi sobra. Nagbasa lahat katawan ko. Puwit ko, ganun, basa. My puwit is basa.
You?
My poet is basa.
Your poet is Basat?
And you're funny, and
I'm funny.
you're funny.
I don't think I'm.
My poet is basa.
Huh? Look, you know I don't know what it means, but you want to say it anyway. Because you want to have fun and think it's
No, it's about me, Tommy.
Of course it's about you. It's my, whatever it is.
It-
My. Huh?
Mine.
Yeah. That makes it about you.
My ass is wet.
Your ass is wet. Okay. So a
Ash.
poet is, right? Somebody who's...
Yeah, I read a poem. Poem, yeah.
So you said a poet is an ass.
Yeah, I'm
You said
shaking.
Poets are asses. There you go.
And seems like this is a deja vu for me. Seems like this is happened already. Like I'm holding the camera shaking and you were talking about the same shit.
I don't know. I've been talking about poets ever before.
This is deja vu. Oh my god, Tommy. I'm shaking, guys. Oh my god, hold on. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, guys. More garbage. Never ending. Starlight is bright. Starlight is spring light. Lights right here. We have the same color clothes then. Same color clothing. Don't overpass your thing. Okay. We are
Until
here.
3:30.
Huh?
Till 3:30. They're closed. Just till 3:30.
No, they have a car over there. Tommy said I have a lot of food now. Food. And look at my face, guys. I don't take a shower yet. I clean up. I don't take shower yet. I dirty. We both dirty. We're so dirty. Hala, Han. Oy, can you break, Han? Hala, Han, what are you doing? You're making faces. Guys, did you see that? Guys, I don't even notice that he's making faces.
Holding the nose.
Ah, you're covering because I'm dirty. Are you kidding me, Han? Hey, you just a little boy.
What do you do?
It's a stupid thing.
What was that crunchy noise?
It's a
Be
battle.
crunchy in it.
Ito yung buhay ko, guys. Sabi pa niya, now that I have a lot of food. Are you serious, Tommy? You bring all the food. You cook the food, you bring it. And he said, I have thick pork chop and pork chop thick in the freezer.
Hon, I'll be working all weekend. Mom will be at Andrea's, so it'll just sit in the refrigerator and rot. Just keep it. Hey,
So you think I will eat it?
Yes.
No, you're right. You know what? You bring the sausage, you bring the chicken, you bring the salad. No,
Yeah.
you. No, are you kidding me?
I
Don't.
say that.
You know, whatever, Tommy. You bring it to that. You can bring it to work. Are you seriously?
I can't even bring it to work, hon. I'm gonna be working in somebody else's building because all buildings out of whack, so I can't even bring food to work. So,
But
there
you have,
go.
but you have to bring some
I
food.
can't.
No, but you have to
Not
bring
my
some food
building.
on the other house that you have something to pick on. Kidding me? You bring the salad for sure because that will be
I
watery
got
here.
salad over there. But yeah, I'm not doing that tonight. What you gonna do is empty the bag out and put it on the table.
I did that last night. My God, guys!
No, but how many
Oh,
are nice?
yeah, right,
How
honey.
many?
No, you should doing it. That's all you do. Just pour the freaking salad on the bowl. But you never do. Always blame it to me. I cooking. I'm bullying it. What? You're trying to say something. You are trying to say something. I know. I can say. I know you. I know you enough. Huh? 10 years living with you. I know you. You wanna say something? See it now. See it now. See it now. What?
Yellow means slow down.
I love this song. Fralipolipi. Fralipolipi. Hindi na sana kami pumunta dito sa grocery. Pasensya na kayo sa mukha ko, guys. Hindi naman ako nahiya, guys. Pero pasensya na talaga kayo, guys. No, where the heck is he? Even to return the freaking thing, it takes forever for him. So we are here at Stop and Shop. So we came here at Stop and Shop to get some cat leather and get the food, dog food and cat food. But anyway, now he's staying over there in the door. I don't know who he's waiting for, but he's in the door over there standing. Hi guys, nagrinta si Tami ng, guys, ito yung naano niya. Red box man ito. May rinta na, box, red box ang pangalan. So ito siya is 50 Shades Darker, yung second movie, yung part 2 nila. At saka next time, yung part 3. Part 3 yan?
They have part 3, right?
Yeah, part 3 next. Now, nagluluto ka ako ng sausage with pepper. Dalhin niya yan bukas para, maghuhugas lang ako, guys. Good evening, guys. Guys, ang lapit ng, I think it's almost 9 o'clock, right, Han? Yung mosh cake niya, nilagay niya sa... Nilagay niya sa refrigerator. Yung mosh niya, guys. Oh, it's cold in this house. Sobrang ginaw, guys. Kapag andito sila, kasi sobra kasing init sa labas. So, ngayon, yung AC, takbo ng takbo. Grabe. Ay, nako. Malapit na mag 9 o'clock sa fresh na ako. Naliligo ako.
If something happened,
Nandito pa yung asawa ko, guys. Bukas pa ito, alis yung baby ko. Right, Han? Bukas pa yung baby ko, alis. He has a crown on his head. Crowny, crowny, crowny. Crowny, 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 crowny.
like clowny.
Crown, oy?
Clown.
Clown. It's my baby, now I love my baby. I love my baby, now
You're gonna have to give me your hard drive to put this on.
I love my baby, now I love my baby. Why your icon is so big? So big.
Why?
And there's so many apps that you upload your laptop. It's full. It's full of crap. Full of crap. Halahan! Can you turn your a little bit, Han? I cannot move that. Good. Very good boy. What a good boy. What? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Are you getting annoyed? You get annoyed? Annoyed? No. He said no. No, I want to annoy him, guys. Gusto kong i-annoy yung husband ko. It takes 3 seconds or 2 minutes to notice me.
I tell you no. Huh?
I love you.
I
love you, handsome. Baby, baby, Bobby. Bobby John. Bobby John. John, Bobby John. Guys, one time, guys, Tammy called me John. Confusing, right? Confusing. He texted me, guys. That's very clear. Texting, guys. John. He said, yes, John. There's something wrong. It's a text. I can understand if it's like you talking, and then suddenly you see something different name. But text. Si John daw, guys. I'm John. John daw.
Lots of noise.
You said you don't get annoyed, but you are
You make
annoyed.
a lot of noise.
I like when Kami wearing black, and I like when I'm wearing black. And I just farted, but it's not stinky because it's just like this. Like that. Honey, it's nothing. It's just a little bit of wind, just like that. You know, I love you. Matutulog na kami. Thank you guys so much. Salamat guys.
Bye, guys.
What I got to do.